it's Don the Anti-Chef from Don's Anti-Kitchen. I'm doing one more unboxing. This is the one I've been waiting for. This is what's going to make you guys hear me without having to shout, hopefully. So this is my mic system. It's a lavalier mic system, wireless. I'm just hoping it has enough power so that we can use it in this video. Ooh, poppables, poppables. Well, it's 9:33 at night, but anyway. Poppables. Oh, that was a good one. There we go. Okay, okay. One more. No? Okay. Alright, so much for the poppables. Okay. Yeah, baby. 1 second. Yeah, I'll put it over here. Yeah, baby, look at that. How professional does that look? Eh? That is friggin' nice. These are on sale. They're usually $55. I got them for, 1 second. I can see my screen, but I can't see the price clearly enough. Because I've reached an age where curiosity is greater than vanity. 49.50. 49 something. So 49 something. So. Oh, I'm sorry, 45 something. 45 something. I don't wonder. Okay. Go. Just like butter. Easier than butter. Okay, is there any tape holding it closed? No. This side? No? Okay. Let's try and slide it out. Ooh, what's this? It must be. Huh? Must come with wires just to. Oh, nice, a nice bag. Yes, and it does come with wires. Okay. 3 wires to be precise. This must be the receiver. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Okay, this goes on here. So I guess. That must be to charge it. Okay. Or to adapt it to the computer. Huh. Okay. Take a look at one of these mics. Oh, there is an on off. Okay, yeah, at the bottom. Okay. No lights, or they're dead. Oh, this one has light. Oh, it did. Okay. So. Hi. Just taking a second to say, if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and ring that little bell, because it really, really helps us out and it means a lot to me. Please leave comments. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, and say whatever you want. Okay? I do read them. Okay, back to our show. That one's weekly searching. Is there a button? Yeah, right here. And there's the solid green light. Hello. There, now they're both solid green. Okay, this one's solid green. And that one's green. Okay. So, I'm going to attempt this. I don't know if it's going to actually work today, but we're going to try it. I'm going to undo the boom mic and I'm going to try. Yeah, that's not good. Alright, okay. Alright, so I don't know if I got it on right. I don't know if I'm doing it right. But that, is there instructions? Yes. Good. But I'm going to charge the whole system, and then we'll, last time I got a bag, something like that was in. I bought sapphires. But anyway, it was a while back. So all I'm going to do is plug everything in and charge it overnight. These cords are definitely short. Okay. One. And I'm going to read the booklet. But am I disappointed so far? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. 2. And then this one, whatever this one's for. I don't know if it's an adapter or if it's a charger. We'll find out. There's 3, so let's see. 3 twist ties. I'm not throwing them out, that's for sure, but I am going to put them in the box. Sorry guys, I got a cold. Okay. So, I don't know if I'm going to be doing many cooking videos while I got a cold, but... So, let's put this little guy back in the box for now. Oh, this one's turned on too, now. I don't know, can you hear me out of both? We'll turn this little guy off. Oh, now it turns blue. What does that mean? Green. Blue. Green. Blue. I guess you can't turn them off. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, just put them there for now. And that. I'm going to go plug these in, everything in, and read the manual, and drink my coffee. So once again, thank you for joining me, guys. This is Don the Anti-Chef, and this is the Empty Kitchen. And you have value, you have worth, and you deserve a place in this world. So find that one thing that's going to get you out of bed in the morning and stick to it. Okay? And don't let anybody tell you different. I believe in you. I'm pulling for you. Take care.